We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related and often unclear words as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning in British English. This is normally said as similitude. Similitude. You do want to stress on the second syllable and note that it is a chewed sound, as the last syllable, not a T sound but chewed sound. Similitude. In American English, however, it is normally said as similitude, similitude, similitude. Yeah, more similitude than similitude. But not a chewed sound in American English, rather a tood sound. Similitude in American English versus similitude in British English. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.